Hey guys, hope you have a nice day. It's Alvin Dong. I'm in Chengdu, Sichuan province, China. Let me take you to travel and taste delicious Chinese food and see the real look of China. Today, I'm gonna eat famous Chengdu Chuanchuan. We arrived here at 1950 and they were already packed with people. We got a number. It says there were 8 parties in front of us. So we're waiting in line beside the road. Almost 50 minutes later, we are leading to the restaurant. The first thing to do is to choose what you want to eat. Locals usually hang out with friends and eat this. Almost all kinds of foods are on sticks. It's interesting. It's quite different from the Chinese barbecue, which is also on sticks and cooked over a charcoal grill. This one, Chengdu Chuanchuan, is cooked by boiling in a pot. It's similar with hotpot. So the first step, you need to get there to grab what you want to eat and then put them on your tray, take them to your table. There are I can see more than 15 kinds of food. It's hard to choose for me. Maybe I can get each of them, but I won't say it's a good choice. They have spicy beef, rabbit kidney, lot tofu, fried tofu, sausages, beef ball, fish ball, squid, and etc. And some vegetables over there. This is one of my favorite flakes of lotus root. I got 2 of them. Second, you need to get a sauce. There are more than 10 kinds of ingredients here on the table. You can make your own sauce. Just take what you like into your bowl with a spoon. I got some shredded peanut, deep fried beans, chopped chili, and oyster paste. A little vinegar. I need to get some cilantro, the shredded cilantro, and they have the celery. I love it. And some garlic, the shredded garlic. It's so fragrant. And we got a pot with 2 flavors, and one is spicy, another there's no chili at all. Here we got a bunch of chuan chuan, and there is some spicy beef, the tofu being curd, and some vegetable like corn, and there is a beef with fennel. Let's put them into the pot. We got to wait at least 3 minutes to get the chuan chuan cooked. So before that, let's taste the naohua, which is the pork brain. Sounds awful to eat brain, you know. Am I a zombie? But it does really taste good. It's covered in red chili oil, very nice colors on it. And it's really soft. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's the brain. It's a brain. I'm gonna eat this. It's really soft, silky and smooth. To be honest, there is no stench at all. It's good, but actually, it is full of fat, you know. Just like eating a chunk of butter. It's buttery indeed. And texture to this brain, a little bit like foie gras. There are some vegetable and pickles underneath. Oh, I guess the sauce, the vinegar in here, a little bit of sourness I taste. There is oil, special for the chuan chuan. Oops, sorry. Now I'm stirring this. It's boiling now. It's time to feast. First of all, I'm gonna eat this beef. I guess it's good. Oh my gosh, it's tender and juicy. Okay, let's get some bamboo shoots going. Here is the bingfen, which is kind of like chili. There are some raisin, kind of dry grape and diced whole flakes, and shredded peanuts. It's kind of like dessert. You just ate chuan chuan, and just one bite of this, the whole world is cooling down. Cool. It's really cool. It's sweet. There is some brown sugar syrup and shredded ice. It can get the burning of your tongue. Here is the chicken stomach, which has been cut, and there is the magic. Let me show you later. Ta-da! After being boiled, the chicken stomach has become a flower, a chrysanthemum, like the chrysanthemum. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's crispy and it has a unique texture. After the meal, we're gonna get a bill by taking account of the steaks. At the end, the waitress told us that we can get a discount if we share this restaurant to WeChat Moment. The chuan chuan are already wiped out. I do really like the decoration of this restaurant here. Hey guys, that's it for today. I will make more food and travel video in China. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and just let me know what kind of food you want to know or want me to try, or anything you want to know about China, Chinese culture, just leave a comment below. I will answer as much as possible in my videos. If you're not already subscribed, click subscribe button now for more food and travel video in China. I will update my video channel weekly, so I will see you soon on the next video. Thank you again for watching. See you soon. Bye.